Hi students, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine. Okay, very good. Today we are going to discuss about general science, the fourth lesson, the human body system. Human body system. Then, what is the meaning of cells? Cells is the human body is made up entirely of cells. Okay, what is the meaning of cells? Cells is the basic building blocks for all living things. For all living things. Cell is the smallest unit in the body. This is one of the important points. Cell is the smallest unit in the body. A large number of specialized cells together make up a tissue. What is the meaning of tissue? Tissue is the group of cells and the similar structure. Have a similar structure. A group of cells have a similar structure. That is the tissue. Okay. The muscles, blood and nerves are the all tissues. Clear? Then various tissues together make up an organ. Okay, organ. What is the meaning of organ? Each organ has its own specific function. Okay, each organ is having the specific function is there. Okay, then heart, stomach and our brain are all organs. Okay, the heart, brain and stomach are all the organs. This is the organs. The various organs together make up an organ system. Organ system. What is the organ system? Some main organ system of our body which are there. I already written the board. For that, first one is respiratory system. Second one is skeletal system. Third one is muscular system. Fourth one is digestive system. And fifth one is circulatory system. And sixth one is nervous system. Seventh one is excretory system. And last one is reproductive system. Then let us learn about the more details. For there is a respiratory system. What is the respiratory system? The function of the respiratory system to the transport to the air into the lungs and to the facilitate diffusion of oxygen in the blood stream. That means it also receives the waste carbon dioxide from the blood and exhales it. Okay, just all of you see the picture in your textbook. Respiratory system, nose, windpipe, lungs. Which are the nose, which one is the windpipe and which one is the lungs? Just all of you find out in your textbook, page number 33. Okay. This is the respiratory system. Then what is the skeletal system? Skeletal system is the provide the framework. Provide the framework, the body of and protect the delicate the internal organs. Internal organs. Which are the internal organs to protect for the heart, stomach and brain? Which are these are the internal organs. Organ system. Okay, that is the skeletal system. Provide the framework and protect the internal organ system. Next one up, muscular system. Muscular system to help the body to move. Help to the body to move and contracting and relaxing the muscles. First of all, contracting and after that one of the push and it is a relaxing. That is the muscular system. All of us see the picture. Skeletal system and a muscular system. What is the difference between the skeletal system and a muscular system? Clear? Then digestive system. A digestive system is the responsible for the breaking down the food. Breaking down the food. Okay. Further, we eat into the simple substance which can be absorbed in the blood. Okay, absorbed in the blood. Further, this is the digestive. Further, whatever you are eating, that is we are to further breaking down the food. Breaking down the food. Clear, all of you? That is the digestive system. Further, all of you see the picture in your textbook. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, and liver, small intestine. Clear? This is the digestive system. Next one is circulatory system. What is the circulatory system? It is the function transport blood from the heart and the oxygen from the lungs to the various tissues of the body. Various tissues of the body. Understood all of you? This is the circulatory system. Main function of the circulatory system is to the transport the blood from the heart and the oxygen from the lungs. And from oxygen from the lungs to the various tissues of the body. Clear all of you? This is the circulatory system. What is the nervous system? The main function of the nervous system is to provide the ability to perceive. Provide the ability to perceive, understand, the react environmental events. Okay, further understand and react to environmental events. Clear all of you? This is the nervous system. What is the difference between circulatory system and nervous system? Just all of you find out. And next one, excretory system. The primary function of excretory system is to filter out waste. Filter out waste. All of the system, just all of you, kidney. One of the important example of the kidneys. No, we are to pass out the urine. Okay, for there is one excretory system. For there is one of the important excretory system is the kidneys. That is the filter out waste. Filter out the waste, toxins and excess water from the body. Okay, water from the body. Next one, reproductive system. What is the reproductive system? It is the have young ones. For there is a reproductive system help to humans have young ones. To help to the system help to human to the help young ones for the reproductive system. Then next one, skeletal system. We are going to more details. We are to learn about the more details of skeletal system. The entire framework of bones, entire framework of bones in the human body is called the skeleton. Okay, what is the meaning of skeleton? The entire framework of the bones to human body of the skeleton. That is the skeletal system. All of you see the picture in your textbook. Skeleton. First of all, skull. Okay, for the skull, then shoulder girdle, ribs, spine, arm, hip girdle, leg. Okay, for the already is marked for the skeletal system in your textbook. Then without this framework we would not able to sit. Okay, for that there is a skeleton. If you are to, there is no any framework, we can't sit, we can't move. Okay, for that we can walk or lie down. For that, this is the main function of the skeletal system. The main function of the skeletal system. Okay, for this is the skeletal system. For that, there is the function of skeletal system or their main function of the 3 points are there, which are there to support the body. To support the body, then give form of the body. Give form of the body, then protect the delicate organs of the body. Protect the delicate of the organs of the body. The next one are bones. What is the bones? For the adult skeleton is made up of only there is a 206 bones. How many bones are there? The adult skeleton is have 206 bones are there. Okay, 206. Bones have different shape and size. Already you know there is one shape, not a one shape. Bones have the different shapes and size because has different purpose of the body. Okay, so many purposes are there in our body, and there is a different purpose of the body. That's why there is a different shape and different size. Clear? The biggest bone of our body is called the femur. Femur. What is the meaning of femur? Femur is the longest bone. What is the meaning of femur? Is the longest bone which is located in the thigh. Which is located in the thigh. Bones are usually hollow but are very strong. Okay, for that bones are usually hollow, then but it is the animal is very strong. Okay, very strong. Inside of the bones contains soft and spongy matter called the bone marrow. For the inside is the spongy, like a spongy for the inside the bone. That is called the bone marrow, which has blood vessels. The bone marrow is the body's factory for producing the red blood cells and also stores out. Okay, for that also store the fat. Then bones of the skeleton can be studied in the 5 different heads. There are first one skull. Okay, what is the meaning of skull? The skull has 2 parts. Which are the skull? The two parts is the brain box and the face. First one is the brain box and second one face. The brain box is made up of 8 bonds fitted into the other in the skillful way. Okay, further the brain box is made up of 8 bonds and skillful way. Then this box protects the brain. That is a very important point. This box is to protect the brain. Protect the brain. That is a very important point. Further is that a brain box is protect the brain. The face has 14 bonds fitted together. Another important point. The brain face is 14 bonds fitted together. 14 bonds fitted together. All the bonds in the skull are fixed. On the bond further is fixed. Okay, further in the skull are fixed. Except the bonds are lower jaw and which enable us to talk and eat. These bonds protect our organs of sight, hearing, and taste and smell. Okay, further these bonds are protect our organs of sight and hearing, taste and smell. Okay, it's a very important point. Then backbone. Backbone has 3 small bonds joined. Further 33 small bonds joined on top of the other. This is one of the important point. Is that 33 bonds joined one on top of the other. Then these bonds are called the vertebrae. Okay, vertebrae. What is that? The backbone has 33 small bonds joined one on top of the other. These bonds are called the vertebrae. Okay, run your fingers along your backbone. You will feel a chain of the bonds running right from the neck to the base of the back. Okay, another important through this holes runs called spinal cord. That is protected by the backbone. Is the spinal cord is protect the backbone. Is the very important. The spinal cord is protect the backbone. The backbone is the main support of the body. The backbone is the main support of the body above the legs. Okay. Further, another one. Next one, rib cage. What is the meaning of rib cage? Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of curved bonds called the ribs. What is the rib cage? There is the made up of 12 pairs of curved bonds. This is called the rib. Okay, these ribs act the cage of bonds around the chest. Okay, this is the around the chest and protect the heart, lungs and liver. This is the rib cage. This is protect the heart, liver and lungs. This is the rib cage. This is the rib cage. The first 7 pairs of ribs are attached to the front of sternum. A strong bond in the center of the chest that hold the ribs of the place. Okay, ribs of the place. That is the very important point. Then next one girdles. What is the girdles? The girdles that means the skeleton structure. Skeleton structure. Okay, the skeleton structure.